And this is Sal's first time. And I saw Sal here with this t-shirt on of music producers.
Yeah!
So Sal, I would just ask you, you're a music producer, how do you feel Empower Network can help music producers? What do you see as such a big benefit to your industry?
Well, as a music producer, we're not employees, first of all. We don't have 9 to 5s. We get paid for what we offer to the artists. So Empower Network has developed this system in our that self-development system, how to run a business online. That's what we do. We have a business online. We're creating instrumentals and we're selling them online, providing the artist the instrumental with a hook or without it. So that way they can create the music that they want. And having a business online is just not about selling a beat or an instrumental. It's about having the proper mindset to wake up every morning and to say, this is what I have to do. This is a serious business. This is not, I'm not just joking around or trying to get people's money. I'm providing value to artists, and that's what Empower Network helps. I mean, everybody, every producer, at least my squad.
Yeah!
It's 90% mindset, success, 90% mindset, and 10% is marketing. And a lot of producers, they're on the internet trying to sell beats, instrumentals. They just want to sell a beat, and they're asking, how many ads, or what do you do to get sales or leads? And we're like, it's not about just selling a beat. It's not about just marketing. It's the mindset.
Woo! Peace selling squad!